Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change the transmission fluid on a 1991 Honda PP1 Beat. Go ahead and put your catch can under the car. Next we're going to need a ratchet. This is a 3/8. Going to stick it in this right here, which is actually a 10mm square socket, but a 3/8 ratchet will do the same thing. There is a little bit of play, it's debatable. So just go ahead, get it loose. It might be tight. There we go, she broke loose on me. So once she's loose, you can probably just go ahead and pull it off by hand. And all of your transmission fluid will go into your catch pan. So just go ahead and let everything drain out. And be sure that you grab the crush washer. You're supposed to replace these every time you pull a plug, be it an oil plug or a transmission drain plug. Looks like this, little flat piece of metal. I'm going to go ahead and reuse that, and we're not going to tell anybody, so it's going to be our little secret. And we're just going to go ahead and put that back on there. And then just snug her down. So that's how easy it is to drain the transmission fluid. Go ahead, wipe it off, that way we can check for any leaks once we get it filled back up. Next we're going to go top side, and we're going to take a 17mm shallow socket. And we're going to wiggle our hands down here. Sorry there's not a great shot, but there's a 17mm right about there, and that's the fill plug for the transmission. Go ahead, pull it out. Make sure you don't drop the seal on it either, because it has another crush washer. There it is. And I have this little bendable funnel thing, and I have it going into some clear tubing. I'm using Honda manual transmission fluid and another funnel. And to fill this up, we just fill it up to the point that it starts dribbling out. I believe it was about 2.5 quarts. It's been a while since I actually took the video, so I'm not sure. I believe we bought 3 quarts to fill this up. And we didn't use all of it at all. Just fill it up. Don't overfill your funnel. Keep going until you see it dribbling out. Once you see it dribbling out, you can go ahead and take off the funnel setup and put your transmission fill bolt back in place. Forget your crush washer, and then just tighten everything else back up. Please take a second to like, subscribe, share, and comment. It would really help me out a lot.